Oropharma Disinfect Spray is a very efficient disinfectant developed to combat bacteria, viruses and fungi in the living environment of animals. Before you use disinfect spray, you first clean the material, coop or home thoroughly by clearing out all organic material, such as droppings, feathers or feed remains. After the surface has been thoroughly cleaned and dried, you can spray disinfect spray. Allow the spray to take effect for 15 minutes. Most pathogens are killed within 1 minute. The unique composition guarantees a long-lasting effect of disinfect spray. Disinfect spray is the officially recognized disinfectant against bird flu, and it is also very effective against Newcastle disease. After the cages have been ventilated and dried, the birds can be placed back. Use biocides safely. Before use, always read the label and product information.